Now this first effect involves 21 cards. Now you may have heard that the number 21 is quite special in card magic, and it just seems to have some surprising, even miraculous properties. So I have here a shuffled deck of cards, and if you were here, I'd have you shuffle them as much as you wanted. You could even table wash them if you would like. Okay, so there we go. We'll maybe do one more. Okay, and once again, if you were here, I could even show you the cards and have you decide, how well mixed you think they are. And if you're not happy with the cards, we could actually gather them up and shuffle again. Okay, so those are looking pretty good, I think. Okay, well, we need 21 cards for this effect, so I'm going to go ahead and count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 cards, very good. Okay. Now, what I need you to do, and it really, the success of all of this involves both of us, actually, because what we're going to try to do, and I've been able to achieve a better than 50-50 chance of succeeding at what we're going to look at here, but I need you to just randomly cut off any number of cards. Okay? Now, if you were here, I'd have you do it, but you're not, so I'm going to just cut off some number of cards. There we go. And I want to assure you that there's no breather crimps or anything funny. That truly was a random cut. Now, here's the hard part. I need to try to use my intuition and my training to deduce the identity of the cut to card. Let's see. I don't know if that's important, like how many cards you cut. Probably not. I think the card you cut to is an ace, black ace, red ace, an ace of diamonds. I think it's an ace of diamonds. I think that's a fail. I had a 50-50 chance. I mean, normally I get it about half the time, and it looks like today is not the day. So that is not the ace of diamonds. Okay, so we would call that a fail, unfortunately. But there is something that I have discovered every time that I have failed at this to get it right the first time. I can always get it right the second time. Okay, and I've never missed on the second time. So let's see if that's still the case. If the two of us working together are going to have some good luck here. So what I'm going to do is kind of rewind kind of the tape a little bit, and we're going to deal out 21 cards again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. Okay, 21 cards again. Okay, but this time, instead of you randomly cutting to a card, you have already cut off a random number of cards. That was completely decided by you. It's these cards right here. And so what has always worked for me, and I'm just thinking it'll probably work again today with us, is the number of cards here will tell me how many cards to go down to find that ace of diamonds that in my mind's eye I could see as clear as day. Okay, so how many cards did you cut at the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You randomly cut 11 cards. So let's go ahead and count off 11 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is this going to work for me? It always has in the past, but maybe the two of us together are going to fail. Is this the ace of diamonds? It is indeed. Yes, we got it. If we fail the first time, I can always, and I'm going to teach you how to be able to always do it by the second try. Okay? Very good, very good. Okay, so let's talk about this most remarkable mathematical card effect. And what I've shown you there will always work for you. It'll work for anyone who obeys the mathematics. Okay, so what is going on with this crazy thing? Now, if you get online, there's many different narrations and stories and ways to frame this effect that magicians have come up with over the years. I honestly thought of this way of doing it while recording this video. So I've never done it this way before. And maybe it shows, I don't know, but I think it went reasonably well, seeing that I made it up on the spot. And that's a skill that you can truly develop with some time, and it doesn't take much time. So for example, if the individual that you're showing this to happens to be 21 years old, oh man, you've just hit a gold mine, right? So you could frame your entire routine around their age, the fact that it's 21. But because of the mathematics of what I'll show you, you can do this effect for anyone's age, okay? So they could be 50 years old. Well, you don't want to go over 52. We don't have more cards than that. But any reasonable age, 10 on up. The principles I'm going to show you today could be used to do exactly what I've done here. So you could actually tie it to their age, even if it's not 21, okay? But anyway, nonetheless, you can come up with your own fun and engaging way to kind of sell this or present it that is engaging and interesting for the spectator. Okay, well, what is going on? What are the principles behind this? And what would enable you to kind of do this in general yourself? Okay, how could you actually do it for any number? In a real sense here, the number 21 is not at all special. It's not special in the least, okay? Okay, so what is going on?